The next big reveal from Nothing is just around the corner, and this time the spotlight is on two major updates: Nothing Ear 3 and Nothing OS 4. Carl Pei has already confirmed that the Ear 3 will launch next week, and ahead of the event, he teased the complete design in a short video on his X account. True to the company's DNA, the earbuds carry forward the transparent design language, but this version isn't just about looks. The most noticeable change is the addition of metal elements across both the earbuds and the charging case. Nothing claims these changes improve durability and elevate the premium feel, although there are concerns that metal might cause heating during use, which could be uncomfortable for some users. The design itself has been reshaped to fit more naturally in the ear, a subtle yet thoughtful move aimed at improving long-term comfort. Another visible refinement comes in the form of a slimmer antenna, now measuring only 0.35 millimeters. To complement this, internal components have been more tightly arranged, giving the Ear 3 a more compact, polished appearance compared to its predecessors. One of the more exciting details shared is the mention of a super mic, though specifics remain under wraps. Given the name, it's likely targeted at boosting call quality and voice clarity, an area where wireless earbuds often struggle. If delivered effectively, this could make the Ear 3 particularly strong in day-to-day communication, as well as media use. Meanwhile, the charging case has received a major update, crafted entirely from 100% anodized recycled aluminum, making it not just stronger, but also more environmentally responsible. A new talk button has also been spotted on the case. While Nothing hasn't officially explained its role, speculation points to a possible AI assistant trigger, with rumors even hinting at direct ChatGPT integration. Despite these reveals, Nothing has kept performance details such as drivers, noise cancellation, battery life, and connectivity upgrades under wraps, likely saving them for the main event. The launch is officially set for September 18th, where all the missing details will finally be unveiled. Alongside the Ear 3, Nothing is also preparing to roll out its new software, Nothing OS 4. The company has already teased a redesigned interface, with reports suggesting a stronger AI focus at the core of this update. This shift indicates a move toward deeper integration of intelligence and personalization in the Nothing ecosystem. While the full specifications and features are yet to be disclosed, one thing is clear: Nothing is positioning the Ear 3 and OS 4 as its most ambitious releases this year. The Ear 3 and OS 4 will officially launch on September 18th, with pricing expected to stay in the competitive premium range, making them key products to watch in 2025.